So hey guys, I love you all. I don't want to start a debate or anything, but back in the days when Swap Force came out, they said that Xbox One and PS4 version were the same graphically. And honestly, finally, I don't want to sound like a PS4 fanboy. Honestly, honest to God, when I play, I own every single iHand versions, the new ones, and I play them all. And the best looking one graphically, and you see the difference, I swear. If you ever, anybody who watches this video who owns all three versions, be honest with me, comment this video and tell me, because honestly I have all three. And it's sad to say that the PS4 version, no lies, hands down, is the better version graphically, honestly. So I just want your comments. Just let me know. For sure, no lies. The difference is amazing. There's a big difference between the Xbox One and PS4 version. Honestly, let me know, guys. Thanks.